Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all dear students of class 9. Dear students, as you all know that now the school has started for you people and we are doing the revision of the chapters which we have done earlier. So dear students, in our routine just now we are learning the molecular formula. See, before you go for writing any chemical reactions, it is necessary to know that how to write the molecular formulas. So just now in our basic classes also I am teaching that how to write down the molecular formula. Now dear student, that chemical formula, molecular formula means chemical formula also, is particularly made up of your cations and anions. It means that how you are joining the compounds over there, means आप एलिमेंट्स को कैसे ज्वाइन करते हो. फॉर दिस फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू नो देयर वैलेंसी. ठीक है, वैलेंसी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल गिव यू द आइडिया अबाउट द केटायंस एंड एनायंस. सी, सपोज वी गो फॉर हैविंग सोडियम. So sodium is having +1 charge. Similarly we have magnesium, that is having +2 charge. Aluminium, that has +3 charge. Getting? Potassium, it has +1 charge. Then we have calcium, that has +2 charge. Dear student, it means that is this all are able to lose the electron. The charge on it means the number of electron they lose. जितना प्लस लिखा हुआ है उतने इलेक्ट्रॉन ये लॉस्ट करते हैं. ठीक है, व्हाई डज इट लॉस्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन? इट लॉस्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन इन ऑर्डर टू अटेन द स्टेबिलिटी. आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ओवर हियर. फॉर एग्जांपल, सोडियम atomic number 11. So we write its electronic configuration as 281. Now K shell is completely filled, L is also completely filled, but in M shell we are having only 1 electron. So it has a requirement of 7 electron and that is not easy to gain. That is why sodium loses 1 electron and becomes Na plus. It becomes Na plus. Okay. Similarly, dear students, we have the anions. For example, we have the anions like oxygen, which is with -2 charge. Oxygen is having -2 charge. Sulfur also has -2 charge. Also, dear students, we are having polyatomic ion. Polyatomic ion, like we have OH minus. OH is minus with the charge. SO4 is 2 minus with the charge. CO3 is also with the 2 minus charge. So dear student, I will give you the example over here also. Just see to it. Oxygen, atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2 and 6. So what happens? It requires 2 electrons and if somebody gives 2 electron, it becomes 2 minus. It becomes 2 minus. So dear students, before we write down anything, we should know that what is valency. What is valency? Valency क्या होती है? Valency is combining capacity. Valency is nothing but valency is combining capacity. So dear student, for this first of all you need to know that what is the valency of your substance. For example, if I want to write the formula of sodium and chlorine, first of all I have to write symbol NaCl. Okay, NaNCl. Then what I have to write down? I have to write down valency. Sodium has capacity to lose 1 electron. Chlorine has capacity to take 1 electron. So when we crisscross this, we get the formula NaCl. We get the formula NaCl. So dear student, this is the first example. Similarly, we can write number of examples. But first we have to write down symbol and then we have to write down valency. Now let us take another example. Suppose we have magnesium and suppose we have chlorine. Magnesium is able to lose 2 electron, chlorine is able to take only 1 electron. So when we crisscross this, we get the formula MgCl2. We get the formula MgCl2. Okay, let me take another formula. Suppose I have magnesium and suppose I have oxygen. So dear student, मैग्नीशियम का एटॉमिक नंबर होता है 12. ठीक है, तो इसका इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन क्या हो जाएगा 282. सिमिलरली ऑक्सीजन का एटॉमिक नंबर होता है 8. So electronic configuration will be 2 and 6. So one magnesium loses its 2 electron to the oxygen and fulfill its valency. मतलब मैग्नीशियम ने कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन दिए 2, ऑक्सीजन ने कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन लिए 2. But when we crisscross this, either you can cut and write down as 1 1 or else 2 2. मतलब आप Mg2O2 ये भी करेक्ट आंसर है और MgO ये भी करेक्ट आंसर है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, यू कैन राइट इन बोथ द वेज, यू कैन गो फॉर राइटिंग इन बोथ द वेज, बट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट यू नीड टू नो द वैलेंसी, you need to know the combining capacity. Similarly, we are taking the another example. For example, I have sodium and I have polyatomic ion SO4. ठीक है, सोडियम एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस्ट कर सकता है, SO4 wants 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ठीक है, तो हम क्रिस क्रॉस करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा Na2 will be getting Na2SO4. Are you getting this, students? How do we go for making the formula? For formula you should know the valency. आपको वैलेंसी पता होनी चाहिए. अगर आपको वैलेंसी पता है तो आप उसका फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं. That is how we can go for writing the formulas. It means you need to know the valency first of all. And I am giving you certain combinations as your homework which you can go for making. You can go for taking Mg, you can go for taking aluminium, you can take sodium. Okay, you can take sodium, you can take, these are the cations, these are the cations. And dear students, I am also giving you the anions, that is Cl ion, oxygen, then also you can take OH ion. Okay, Cl is minus, OH is O is 2 minus, OH is 1 minus. So this you can go for taking, and that is your anion. Let me show you one simple example. NaOH. Na is having valency 1, OH is also having valency 1. When we crisscross this, we write NaOH. We go for writing NaOH. Similarly, if I write calcium and if I write OH, this one calcium has valency to give 2 electron, capacity to give 2 electron, but OH has the capacity to take only 1 electron. So what will happen? One calcium is giving 1 electron to 2 of the hydroxide ion, and whenever you go for having 2 and when you have the polyatomic ion, please make the bracket, if you write CaOH2, your answer is wrong. So dear students, please try to make the combination of magnesium plus chlorine, magnesium plus oxygen, magnesium plus hydroxide, aluminium plus chlorine, aluminium plus oxygen and aluminium hydroxide, sodium chloride, sodium oxide and sodium hydroxide. So ultimately number of the examples, total you are getting the 9 different type of the structures over here. So please try it, and still if you are facing any difficulties, any doubts, please let me know. And just now we are doing with this particular, that is how to write down the chemical formulas. So you need to know the valency. आपको वैलेंसी पता होनी चाहिए, और आपको क्या पता होना चाहिए, you should know the symbols. If you don't know the symbol, it will be very difficult for you to write down. So dear student, in today's video I have tried to give you certain examples over here, and please try it off, and if you still face any difficulties, any doubts, please let me know so that we can clarify your doubts. Okay, and very soon we will be coming up with the next topic over here. In our routine class we are starting with the next topic also. And dear student, one question I am asking you over here from your chapter number 1. The chapter number 1 is matter in our surrounding. So I want the answer, what is a matter? I want a definition of what is a matter.